1, 2, 3.
Hi, my name is Antonio Ford. I'm the owner of the Ford Music Center. This is a music shop here in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. We offer music lessons. We offer music lessons for piano, drums, electric guitar, bass guitar, acoustic, singing, and music production. We offer studio time for artists who are looking to get their music out on the go, and a place that's affordable. Our goal is to be involved with the community, with young people. So we eventually are going to have programs where we have game nights here to get kids off of the streets. We want to teach them instruments, at affordable rate, and we want to offer that to young people or all ages. We want that passion for music to stay alive and not die in this area. Today was a great day. We had a lot of guests here, more than what my wife and I expected. We had a small business development here. They did an excellent job just supporting us and making this day special. We appreciate the videography, the photography, and the plaque that we received. These guys just really put their heart into it and made it even more special for us. Douglas has been a great asset for us. He's been super accessible. He actually would reach out to me to make sure that I'm doing my job with getting the business planning done, and he's asking these questions, and I'm so thankful for Doug for his just consistency to say, hey, how's that business plan going? How's the marketing? When are you guys considering having a grand opening? And honestly, it was those questions through the year that my wife and I said, are we ready for a grand opening? It was those questions that said, are we ready to take that next step? And just to have the accessibility to have a ribbon cutting was such a great opportunity for us. So we are so thankful for Duquesne SBDC and Doug Harding and everybody that's a part of the staff there. I would definitely recommend SBDC all over this region. Anybody who has a small business, if you're just starting out, you need some support, you need some direction, some wisdom, some guidance, please, I highly recommend SBDC.